if you want to create a short bio to your personal Facebook page, just under the logo on the top left, just below it where it says intro, if you just click on add bio, you can type a short description about yourself. You can type practically anything you want. Okay. And once you're done, there's a limit here at below the box where you can write your bio. It tells you how many characters you've got left. So there is a limit. Once you're done, click on save, and it'll tell you. It'll ask you, would you like to post your bio to the newsfeed? Meaning that once you've posted it, all your friends can see that you've posted a new bio. You can say no, and it'll be on your main page, but they won't be able to see that it's been updated. I'll just say yes. Post it. And there it is. So now when people come and look at your page, they'll see a little bit about yourself, who you are. You can type anything. You can write down how you're feeling today. You can type about your business. You can, leave an email address. You can pretty much write whatever you want.